So hi friends, my dear all friends, very good morning from Crypto Financial Freedom. This is DK, and from in this video I am going to tell you regarding the Launchpad fund, and the timing of Launchpad is going to be just to end for a snapshot. And now this is the time for the subscription, friend. So I am ready here, friend. You can see here I am already eligible here for 397 bit, and now commit tab is going to be highlighted very soon because the timing is only 30 seconds remaining. So I'm quite very aware regarding this one, although I just wake up before 30 minutes back, but this is the right time and I click this one, and thanks God and thanks Diwali. And I hope this Diwali would be crypto Diwali to all of us, friends, and happy Diwali to all of you, along with upcoming Christmas festival to all of you. And now it's countdown time is commit now I did, and now I click here 397 and confirm here, friend. So you can see you have completed 9 bit towards for selected project. Okay, friends, so you can see here I have just completed here at the same time I just completed here, and now the time is remaining 7:29, and this one 7 hours more remaining here. Okay guys, so you can see here more time is here, and 1 CBX is 0.03 bit. Okay, and it was 1 CBX is equal to $0.01 around. Now you can see here, if we talk regarding my this one wallet, it is showing the balance 400. I am having something, but that is showing I don't know why 396. That would be the maximum or whatever, I don't know. 10,000 as you have rewarded. This is for the old one, very old. Which one, friend? Let me see this. So this much amount I am having, friend, you can see here. And now I just completed here for this project. You have successfully completed bit towards the project. So now I would be eligible, friend, and now I must need to wait for next 7 hours just for the distribution, friend, because the distribution time is going to be happen very soon. Let's learn from here. And just a minute guys, just a minute, and I think this would be super rocky, and we would earn a lot, friend. All there is some corrections for the price, friend, but don't be afraid because the token is very nice. By the end of the year I am easily expecting this token $10 very easy, or the hype remain very soon, and they are consistently launching their new launchpad IDOs. Then the price could even go $25 to $50 by next year, January to March maximum. I am expecting $50, friend, here. Not any advice, but I am holding this one because already I just did many mistakes. Okay, I cash out for this, but now I would hold almost say 400 tokens at the rate of $50. This is my target to sell by the end of the next year or mid of the next year. Okay guys, so here let's go what we need to do. Daily average bit balance over 5 days. So they have just counted over here 397. I don't know what 3 are the remaining regarding the fees. Okay, so this one 4th November, it snapshot, friends, closed actually. Okay, and daily bit balance KYC already I have. Snapshot formula I have already told you, and you can see here this was the timing, friend. That's why. So I have filled the opportunity, and I did all the things, and very soon you can see on 31st it was 395, on 1st it was 395, and then it was 397 on 2nd, and on 3rd 400 on 4th, it was 400 around. Okay, so this is all around that. And now what I need to do, I am just waiting for the next action. Okay guys, so now what's more, now guys, I just completed the first snapshot action, that is over, and second one already subscription started, and I just did, within few seconds I just did. And now I'm waiting for this one, that is the timing of 11 a.m. UTC. So if we talk regarding 11 a.m. UTC, on the same date, friend, this timing in India would be around, just a minute guys, 4:30 p.m. Yeah, it is today 4:30 p.m. So I'm setting a reminder here, just for that I am having enough time, just for that. And after that there would be the time for the this is the time for the distribution, 4:30, and then there would be the maximum time of launching. So launching time is 5 November 12 p.m. UTC. So launching time, this one you can see. So friends, according to this example, you are getting almost 1/3 of the token, whatever the bit you have committed. Some more than 1/3 you would have. So this one person complete for 1000 bit, and he is getting 3000 CBX. Now in my case, when I am having 397, almost 400, so I would get around 150 tokens. Yeah, around 150 tokens, that are not so much less, but it's sufficient for this one, because there are no much tokens and many of the people just participated in the event, friend. So they would maintain the price, and the price can go parabolic even. Okay, so I just did this commit now. Okay friends, and next, now what I need to do, friend, I just launch period time is 12 p.m. UTC. So this time is going to be happen today 5:30 p.m. That is the exit time after 1 hour from the distribution period, friend. Okay, so best of luck, be ready, friend, and ready to gear up for the project. And now deposit and transfer bit would be spot and very soon. And let's follow their social media, what they announce for that. Share your story and win here $666 BTC. They have not mentioned here even any. This is good. Why not? Training sports. I don't know which project is this one. Native token game. Okay, so let's see regarding this, friend. Now Bybit is also, friend, doing a lot of things. Okay, so let's click over there. What is that, and what the price? The price is, friend, 6.29, and if we talk regarding this one, the price was around 5.82, and maximum price was 7.19. so this is good token, I think. Gods, just a minute, friends. This token is already available on CoinGecko, and looking good, having 318 rank, and this is the Metaverse token, I think. This is the Metaverse token, friend. All time low 3.32, all time high 7.52 before 2 days, and this was before 6 days. So this is a newly project, I think, launched. Yeah, nice. We missed the opportunity. it is almost around 2x only, so there is much more potential of 5x to even 10x also if going to be token of under 10, under 50 in CMC. So this is the supply, not more, and the circulating supply. And this is the website of the token goats, looking good one because launching in Bybit, and it is the metaverse. I have already told you, friends, looking nice, but the price is some higher, so we would wait for the dip trend near about approx all-time low to mid-range $3 to $4. Let's see what happens, friend. Okay, so best of luck, friend. I hope this would go parabolic, and if I got the allocation of 150 only, if I got the allocation of 150 token only, and if this launch to $1, so my profit would be around $150. But if I hold for the long time, this could definitely go minimum 10x, so this would be 1500x, and when this token would go 10x more, so there would be 100x overall, that would be $15,000. And if we talk regarding this one, it is not less, friend, it is 100x from that. Okay, and my principal is safe. So thank you very much, see you in the next video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Wishing you a very great and happy and prosperous Diwali in this year. Now next to waiting for, very excited for Christmas, because Christmas would make us super rich. Now our moonship is started by Diwali, and there would be the awesome entertainment and a lot of money and fun and freedom, financial freedom within Christmas and New Year. Thank you. See you in the next video, guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.